I'm Teacher Aaron from Can School. Welcome to my story time. Today, our story is Monkey. Monkey. The monkey can jump. The monkey can eat. The monkey can climb. The monkey can sit. The monkey can walk. The monkey can ride. The monkey can hug. The monkey can sleep. I'm Teacher Aaron from Can School. Thank you for reading a story with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.